2.5, so it's actually day 3, but I haven't obviously been welding all day. And I got some thicker material and turned up the heat, and so it's getting there. The TIG, it's coming along. I'm still taking the tip for a swim. I'm still touching the tungsten with the filler rod. I'm slowly getting the hang of it, but what I'm finding is that I just gotta relax. Just gotta take your time. You just gotta let the puddle do the walking. I'll flip this around, give you some, hook your peepers in on a weld I just did, and you can comment below. So this material is quite a bit thicker, and so I've got the heat turned up, and it ain't pretty, but it's definitely not as bad as the first day. You can even see a couple of dimes in there. A couple. We're not necessarily, you know, winning any. There's a bit of a hole over here. I got to about this point, and then I stuck the tungsten to the thing, so I had to shut down, cut the tungsten off, resharpen it, and then when I got to here, I was doing the circles, and the filler rod kind of globbed up there, so you can see that. But it's showing promise. So for all the smart butt comments out there, definitely keep them coming, and we're working through it.